Simba TV.
The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon Falco peregrinus, known for its incredible speed during hunting dives, called stoops. When diving to catch prey, the peregrine falcon can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour 386 km/h, making it not only the fastest bird but also the fastest animal on the planet in terms of flight speed. In level flight, however, other birds, like the common swift Apus apus, are incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 69 miles per hour 111 km/h. But the peregrine falcon holds the record for the fastest dive.